Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when using WinRAR in the command line on Windows. The issue arises when we try to compress a large folder into a RAR file using the CLI, only to find that the command prompt returns immediately while the compression job continues in the background. Talk about a problem, right? Now, the solution to this issue lies within the folder where WinRAR is located. Turns out, there's a handy tool called RAR.exe, the command line interface version, that can come to our rescue. By using RAR.exe instead of WinRAR, we can avoid the GUI popping up and ensure that the compression process is completed in the command prompt itself. This means that the command will wait for the archiving to finish before moving on to the next step. How neat is that? Problem solved. In summary, if you're facing the pesky issue of WinRAR returning immediately in the CLI while the compression job runs in the background, fear not. Simply switch to using RAR.exe, WinRAR's command line interface version, for a seamless compression experience. And there you have it, problem solved with a simple tweak in the command. Alright folks, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy compressing.